Okay, welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue on from last video where we took the races out of the front wheel. We're going to put the races back in, put the bearings in, and then mount the front wheel on the front forks. Then we can move on to some other stuff in the rear end. I want to get the rear fender on. I don't know if I'll get to do it in this video, but I'm going to try to see if I can cut some of the time down on doing this other stuff. So I've already had the races in the freezer. I've already put a little bit of grease on the wheels, so let's put the races in. I don't particularly like doing this. I got to move this after I do it because the other side is just going to go past this. Okay, that'll go past that. So let's flip this over. Let me get the other race. That's in. Just try it again. Make sure. You can usually tell, you can hear it make a distinctive thud when these things have bottomed out. That's in. Let me just check the other side again. They're both in. I can hear that. Got to pack these bearings now. I'm running out of grease here. Like that. Get a socket. Actually, I can use this, I think. There. All right, so let's flip this over. And we got to stick this in. And we got to put these four shims in. Is there four? It looks like there's only three, so. We'll pack this bearing now. Dust shield in there. Okay, so we can move to go put this over on the bike. All right, I think that might be enough. All right. It's nice to see two wheels on this again. I still might have to take this out. Yeah, I just want to look at the clearance. Clearance looks okay. Those look all right. I'll have to tighten this down. Let me see if I can. I don't think this is the right wrench, but yeah, it's not. Well, that is though. All right. All right, so let's let me jack this up again. I'm going to spin the wheel and see if I'm getting any resistance on this wheel. All right, sounds good. Not hearing any scraping or anything. Let me see if it looks like it's running straight. All right, so let me put this chalk on before I lower the bike down. Okay, so we got the front wheel on. I had to move this back. Got the chalk back on. It's finally nice to see this on two wheels again. And you know, we're going to start working on the rear end. We'll get the rear fender on. Then we'll start doing some electrical up here. Already got to put the block up here. Then just start putting everything back together. So hopefully, you know, in a couple months, it'll be all set. All right, so let's move on to the rear end. I got to take the shocks off. Okay, so we got the rear fender on. I got to put the shocks back on. I don't know if I'm going to put saddlebag mounts on yet. I have access to this. The only thing I really need to do here is put the chain on. So I might put them on just to secure the fender here. So let's put these on. I might have to jack it up a little bit. What goes on there? That goes like that. Yeah, I gotta lift the wheel up a little bit. Okay, so before I can put the saddlebag mount on, I gotta put this rack has to go on first. What did I do with that other? It's over on this side. So actually that's the wrong side. This side has to go on first because we need this hole in the back because it's gonna connect to something. So we'll Okay, let's get the front caliper on here. See what we can do. With that. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I think next video we're going to be working on some wiring. As you can see, I've already got the main harness kind of laid out here. And we're going to get some fork oil in here so I can put the handlebars and the controls up, and we'll get some of this wiring done anyway. We'll hook the rear up to the mid terminal and we'll do it from there. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.